Well, welcome everybody. Stephen Sitkowski here. This is the Market Minute. Take a look at what's moving the markets, try to get it all in a couple, 2, 3 minutes, so you don't have to spend your life sitting in front of a television watching financial news programs. I do it for you, kind of give you a summary. So, lots happening right now. It is the 20th of May. Quick reminder that what we do here is for educational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice. What's driving the markets? Trump says the Iran talks are in their final stages. Is it true? I hope so. The markets seem to indicate that it's true. Oil is down, interest rates are down, so the market's buying it. We'll see if that comes to fruition. Nvidia is going to announce earnings after the close. This could be a big market mover. I just don't know what kind of numbers Nvidia could put up that would impress Wall Street. It seems like Nvidia comes out quarter after quarter, they smash their estimates, and then the stock falls a little bit. It always comes back. So if it falls a little bit, it might represent a buying opportunity. The Fed indicates through the minutes that they released today that they may need to raise interest rates, and they cited inflation, and they talked about the stickiness of high oil prices. We're going to be paying the price for that war outside of the 29 billion that we have spent and all of the consumers that are now spending more money at the gas pumps for anything with a petroleum product, anything that gets shipped. If interest rates go up, the problem is it helps the wealthy. Those of us that have plenty stashed away, great for us, but it hurts the people that are living on credit cards and debt. So let's hope it doesn't come to that. Oil prices are now down below 100, still way too high, but below 100 is a good first step. And the 10-year Treasury dropped slightly to 4.584, still above where I'm comfortable. I like to see that 10-year under 4.5. So let's take a look very quickly at today's heat map. Kind of show you what's a shaking and a grooving. So semiconductors, Micron, which I own, up big. Intel, which I own, up big. Nvidia, up 1%. I own that. I own Apple up 1%. Um, so semis doing great. Energy pulling back a little bit, right? That's what happens when oil prices go down. Um, Consumer staple. We're selling out of consumer staple and moving into tech stocks today. Amazon's making a nice move. Tesla, Home Depot, GE, Boeing. Um, Overall, it's just a really good day in the market. So let's take a look at our charts, both the 6 month and intraday on the SPX. This is the S&P 500. So we did see up here at the top a little bit of rollover for 3 days, making a nice comeback on the day. So everything looks just fine there. Let me look at an intraday chart. So steady climb through noon Eastern, and then we've held those gains so far. So all that looks absolutely terrific at the moment. Let's take a look at the VIX, which is the volatility index for the S&P 500, and it's down to 17.44. Roughly translated, um, investors are feeling pretty confident about how things are going. So, good day today. Averages are up about 1%. Let's see how Nvidia goes and what the follow through is. I'll be back with you to report on that tomorrow. Till then, be safe, be blessed.